Hello family, welcome to MHISPA's CAD Designs once again. Missing you all. Okay, in today's episode we are going to learn about how to create or model strip light model in Revit. So stay tuned. Please show love by subscribing and hitting the bell for more videos like this every day. Okay, let's get it start. In the ribbon file, select model and place from the component panel, followed by generic model. You can rename file for easily identification. Note: set the work plane before you sketch the extrusion by selecting Set from the dialog panel. Following, after selecting your work plane, click Extrusion. Extrusion. Use the sketching tools to sketch the extrusion profile according to the shape of your strip light. Good. Now, select Material Browser. Select Material Browser. In the material libraries, make sure you duplicate by creating and renaming the material chosen. Note: don't forget to edit the depth and width of the extrusion model. Click Apply. Click Modify Tab Mode panel to finish edit mode. To view extrusion light, open a 3D view. Okay family, this is how to create strip light in Revit. Gladly, this is where we will end today's tutorials. Thank you for watching, but please don't forget to subscribe. Till we meet again, adios.